our topic is OOPS. So today we are going to learn about OOPS. First of all, we need to know what OOPS stand for, object oriented programming, and what is the definition of oriented programming. So let's see. For here, what do you mean by object oriented programming or OOPS? So let's expand this. Written the definition is object oriented programming aims to implement real world entities like inheritance, hiding, polymorphism, etc. in programming. So the basically the meaning of that OOPS programming is that the real world entities we see in many real world entities like car, bike, pen, books, house, many things which are real world entities or objects, and these things are defined in programming, computer programming. So this method are called object oriented programming. And the next line is the main aim of OOPS is to bind together the data and the functions that operate on them so that no other part of the code can access this data except that function. What is the meaning of this sentence? The main meaning of this sentence is that we are using only ordinary programming where we use many types of variables, methods, and many other functions. So these are in a program we can access anywhere from anywhere. There is no security. But if we use object oriented programming, here we can see class and objects. Where in class we see access modifiers where private, protected, public. What you need you can change according to you, that you are going to that variable is public or private. It is if it is very important or risky, then you can transfer it public and private, and if it is not most important, then you can uh, define it as public. So basically public information is like your username, that things, and the private things are going to be passwords, these things, mobile numbers you can can't show the user, so that you hide these things, and these things only accessible from the methods, not the other classes or data or methods. Uh, then we are why do we study OOPS? So a typically bachelor's program in software engineering or computer science may introduce learners to the four fundamentals of object-oriented programming: abstraction, inheritance, encapsulation, and polymorphism. So there are four types, four things are there: abstraction, inheritance, encapsulation, and polymorphism. These four pillars are the main pillars of OOPS. For these four pillars, we are going to learn OOPS. Abstraction is like hiding data from user, unnecessary data from user. Inheritance means code reusability, means we return a method which is going to be sum of two numbers, then we can use it in the other method from other class, from this class, by inheriting. Then encapsulation is data member and member functions bind together in a class. And polymorphism means many forms in a method. Same name but parameters are different or return type are different, then this is called polymorphism. We are going to be learn in deep in these four pillars in the later videos. Today it is our introduction videos, so we are going to some of this study that we know that what is OOPS. OOPS means object oriented programming, and why we use these OOPS, because it is basically OOPS is a most important thing which is provide us security and code usability, efficiency, fast program, these things. So thank you for watching this video. Today is end this video. Let's see in the next video. Bye. Thank you.